Hi everybody, today I will teach you some miscellaneous options including cell styles, the clear options, and the common. The cell style is a special style you can apply to some specific cells. If you need to apply a style for some cells, you can just select the cells and from home in the styles group, cell styles, and now you can see many styles that you can apply. Also, you can apply heading styles if you have heading or titles or total style, whatever you need. You can also apply themed cell styles. Choose the styles that you need to apply and then click it, and the style will be applied to the selected text. The clear option. The clear option has many sub options underneath. For example, you have data, and these data, the cells are formatted. If you select and just delete from the keyboard, you are deleting the contents only, without the data, without the format. Okay, let's undo. Control Z, undo. But let's select this column, and from here you can see clear. If you click the drop down menu, you can see different clear options. Clear all will clear everything. As you can see, the content, the formatting, the comments if there are comments, the hyperlinks if there are hyperlinks. You are deleting everything of your cells from your cells. I will undo. Okay. Clear format will keep the content and will only clear the formats. Like that. Let's undo. Clear content will clear the content without touching the format. This is the contents are deleted, but if you write, even the text will take the same formatting. If you have comments on our cell and you need to clear them, you can choose clear comments. If you have hyperlinks, you can use clear hyperlinks to clear the hyperlinks. So clear option is not just removing the content, but you have many options to do with clear options. How to add a comment. So you have a cell that you need to comment on this cell. How to add a comment on the cell. You can just right click on the cell and you can see insert comment. And now there is a red flag on your cell. It means that there is a comment here. And this is the text, the box of your comment with your username. You can add whatever the comment that you need to apply. Once you click outside the cell, the comment will disappear. But when you come back to point to the cell, the comment will appear again. If you need to edit your comment, so just right click on the cell that contains comment, and here you can see some new options regarding the comment, like edit comment, delete comment, show or hide. Edit comment will allow you to edit your comment. You can just edit it. Show height. It will show your comment like that. If you remember, once we added the comment and we leave the cell, the comments is auto hidden and it comes back when you point to the cell. But if you choose show hide comment, if the comment is automatically hidden, it will be shown up like this, and you can take it and move it anywhere. And if the comment is shown, that option is changed into hide comment. And when you choose it, it will back to the old story, which is auto hidden comment. If you need to remove the comment, right click on that cell with the comment and delete comment, or from clear, you can choose clear comments. And now the comment is cleared. That's all for today, guys. I highly recommend you to write the table, any table, to write it yourself from scratch and to apply the formatting, to keep practicing every time. And that will help you to move forward in your Excel skills. Try to apply what we have did today. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye bye.